This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Naga Jylla jong ka Samla ban wara na bat buram ya ka Jylla barok ka wei hadin bakalala ban poi shakliar ulum tha ubajrong tam ka perthai ubalatep kum ulum Everest kala penlong ya ka Sorkar Jylla ha ka arpsau terik Jylleu arajar arpusan ban pin ko buram ya ka Samla Rifiness Warjri ba arpus nem karta da ka song pisa ka ba Shillong Tyngka ha State Convention Center. Kuman chukdo ka ni ka Samla Rifiness Warjri ka day ka kun jong uba shlurborg harmendai bat ka kong diamond si Warjri. Kani ka Samla ka day ru ka khana puli jong ka St. Anthony's College bat khot jong ka cadet jong ka 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. Ka Jylla ka Samla Rifiness ban Kiew ya ulum Everest ka day lingba ka NCC Mount Everest Expedition arajar arpusan hakaba nakaliang jong ka bat lai prangut ki weipat ki badan ha ka ni ka kanhun kilala ban Kiew ya uni ulum tha ubadan ya ka jingjrong ka ba prajar praspa sapu praput ha ka khat pratarek ujimang arajar arpusan ha ka por kumba saw buje sapusan minute minstem kadai ru ka sin ka basaw bandan kinong Meghalaya ki balawan Kiew ya uni ulum tha ubajrong tam ha ka ni ka perthai hadin uba Gary German lamare unong shonder ka Discovery Channel uba Kiew ningkong du ya uni ulum house name arajar khat ar nang ta wan pat sa ka kong wan suk mirtham ka police constable house name arajar khat lai bat ka Dolin Karbi ke NCC Cadet Berim na Riboy District House Name Arajar Katnriu. Hashwa ka ni ka Rifiness ka la ruban Kiew ya Mount Abbey Gamen ubajrong hinyaw hajar lais pa sampusan put bat ubadon ha Jylla Uttarakhand. Haba ay jingkren ka Samla Rifiness kala ong baka day ka jingkendu ka bakam pa jusyam haga jingim jongka bat kala ong ru baka Jylla ban Kiew shakliar ulum Everest kam day bangi job ya kilomba henry ka day ka jingjob yala di.
Congratulations, Rifiness Warjri, for your achievement. Let's shout and clap for Rifiness Warjri.
It's not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. This is said by Adamant Larry, and I'm very happy that from a young girl from Meghalaya state, I'm not even presenting Meghalaya, but all over Northeast to the international, to the Nepal Mount Everest expedition. It has really made my heart very grateful, very happy, and especially to my parents who have given me this, allowed me to go. This is not something very small I can say. So thank you so much, Pa May, for your love and support, and to all my coach, my sir, my team member, and especially to the NCC who have given me this opportunity to experience this adventure. To our commanding officer from the 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC, and to all the Shillong group. I'm very happy, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And through my experience, I will share that I really find difficult while doing first the pre-Everest in Nepal. That is Mount Lobuje Peak. It was on the elevation of 6,119 meter. And there I had some of the issues of AMS symptoms. AMS symptoms is also known as the acute mountain sickness, where we are having headaches. So there's a time where I had a headache, a worse headache. I feel I'm giving up. At that time I said, if I can't climb this, what will happen to me for the Everest? I was like so worried. But my Sherpa are those who guide us, as all the climbers have one Sherpa to climb to Mount Everest and the other Mount Lobuje too. So he's the one who, because we have one each, so he's the one who inspired me. Come on, Glory, you can do it. Everyone know me as Glory and nickname, so my name is Glory. So he was like, come on, Glory, you can do it, never give up. So on that time I was like walking slowly, and until I reached the summit of Mount Lobuje Peak, I realized that mountain had taught me strong, fearless, and there I decided, if I can do this, Everest is also, I can do it. So from there I got motivated a lot from my team spirit, teammate, and my leaders there, and this has really inspired me a lot, and I climbed Everest on the 18th of May 2025.
Habatien
pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.